on the 2 Chung Jack stands. And good shape, take it on bid now. Which one to pay? 5 is one price, aren't we, Ben? How to get a 15 down now, 20. 15 down to 20 now, 5, 25 to get that 5 to bid now, 25 to make it 30. Here now, bid now, 5, bottom, 30, bottom, 40. How to get a 40 now, 5 and 45, you say no. And 40, how to get that 5 to bid now, 45, 5, bottom, 40, bottom, 4. Bids up front, yes, sir. How to get a 45 here down and bid now, how to get a 40 now, 5, bid now, 40, how to get that 5 to bid now, 45 sold. And $40 again, number 52. And $40, I get a mind buyer, number 52. I get a mind buyer here, Pacer Trash Pump. We got a Briggs Intech motor on it. It does have compression. Hey, come on, I got a buy right here now. 4 down, $6 bid. How to get that 4 down to get a 6 here down, bid now, 4 down, 6 here down, bid now, 4 down, 6 here. Got Jake. And I get 8 down, 8 down, 8 down, bid now 10. I get down, skin 10 on the pay. I get down 10, bond, bid now 10 to the bay. I get down, skin 10 on the left side. I get here now 10. I get Herb, you're not in. I get down, skin 10 down, 15, Jake, dude, 15, 20, bond, bond, 20. You say 5. I get that 25, bond, bid 30 here down. You say 30, not 5, and down, body, 40. I get you say no, all done. Left side here down, 30, body, 40, all done. I get that 35 to get that 40 bond, bid now, 40 now, 40 now, 35 to get that $40 sold, Jake, and $35. What you got, Jake? Come on, man. I get a buying number 6, and $35. I get a buying number 6 is the winner. Got a sheet, guys. Take it to me. I got a buying right here. Which one to take it? I got a buying on a Barska spotting scope. This spotting scope is in good shape. We took it out right up there. You can see all the way to the top of the hill. It's in good shape on a spotting scope. Take it a buying right here. Which is cheap here? 55. I get that 55. 5. I get a final bid at 55. I get a final bid at 55 to pay. $55 on the Barska. I get that 55. 5. I get that 50. I get a final bid at 55. I get a 60. Now 5. 65 down, bid now. You say 65. Did you? Now 5. Now 70. And now 70 here. Come on back. I get a 65. Bid I'm on the house. And 65 to get a 70 here. Come on back now. And 65 to get a $70 down. But now 65 to get a 70. Those groundhogs don't stand a chance without spot scope. And 65 to get a 70. Now 5. And now 5. Now to get 80. And 75 to get 80. Come on back here. I to get 85. And 75 to get 80 down. And but now 80. Got to get a 75 to get 80 to pay. Now 5. 85 to get down. I to get 85. 5. 85 to ball through. 85 down. But now 5 with Gary. I to get 85. 5. Now to 80. Now 5 to ball. Now 80 down. But now 5 here down. But now $80. But now 5. Sold it. Gary, your way. 670 online. $80. Put them on buyer number 670. Hey, I got a buy out here. Okan, a wire brush and a Black & Decker drill. You buy them all one money. The drill works. We tested it. He'll be 2 and go. Hey, but I'm 2 down. But now $2. I'll get a $2. 2 down. But now 2 to the baby. But I'm 2 to the water. Hey, but I'm $2 bill. Now 2 down. But now 2. Who wants it? Hey, but I'm $2 to get a 2. Not this early in the sale. My word. Give a $1 bill. Hey, but I'm 1. I'll get that 1 down. But now give a $1 bill. But I'm 1 2. I'll get that 1 down. But now 2 now 2 buy. But now 1 2 to go through. Hey, but I'm 1 down 2 down. But now 1 down. But now 2 bids sold. $1 bill. Jackson will buy it. Hey, get a buy $1 bill. Put it on bidder number 13. And bidder number 13 is the winner. Hey, get a buy what you pay. How would a buy about it be? Next line number 11. We got adjustable wrench pin level transfer pump. Hey, get a pay $2. Which one you give it a buy? You buy them all one money. Hey, get a buy right here. $1 bid now 1 2. Hey, get a buy 1 now 2 down. But now $2 bill now 1 now 2 but now 1 now to get a buy 4. Hey, get a buy 2 4 Paul. Where'd you go? How to get a $2 bid now 4 5 bid now 4 Paul. You're out. Hey, get a buy 2 down. But now 4 to pay. 4 now 6 and bid. Hey, get a buy 8 now 10 down. Then you get down to get that 1. How to get ask 10 on that. How to get 10. How to get down. But now 10 now 10 bottom line. But now 10 down. Got to go to 1. But now 8 down. Here now 10 I sold. $8 right there. Buyer 43. I get a buy 8 down. Number 43 on the Yale 3/4 ton chain hoist. I get a buy it's been used. I get a buy about here. What you want to pay? Now $8 bill and 6 here. I get 8 down. Bid now 6 to get about $8. But now $8 bill. I get now 10. Quinn now 15. I get a 10 asking 15. 25 on the floor. Now 15 20. 15 Doug out. Now 25. I get a 10 to get a 25 pay. I get 15 asking 20 Doug. Got to go now. Every time 15 down to 20 now 5. I'll get a 25 about 30. Every time 30. Hey Jack, come here Jack. Every about 25 to get a 30 all done. I'll get a 25 down but now 30 but 30 but 20. I'll get a 35. I'll get a 25 about 30 all done. 25 down but now 30 but 30 but 30. I'll get a 25 about 30 now 5 30 about 30 now 40. I'll get a 35 to get a 40. Every about 35 down but now 40 but 40 all done Brian. I'll get a 35 asking 40. I'll get a 35 but 40 Brian. Hit it. Come on. 35 and 40 sold and $35. Put them on number 52 and $35 number 52. I get about Hey, Jack, just come around here for, hey, Jack Redmond's here. If you guys buy something here in the building, you just come see Jack Redmond. He'll get you helped out. But that is your man to get stuff out of the building. All righty, we got a generator. It does work, and it runs quiet. They're going to buy here on the Honda generator. 500, 5.25. Everybody buy 5.25. Bids online. And 500, 5.25. Everybody buy right there. Everybody buy $5 bid now 25. Get up $5 bid $20 bid down 25. 5.25. Everybody buy $5 now $quarter bill. Everybody buy $5 bid now 20. Now $5 bid 25 here down. But now 5.25. Any more bets? It works. It runs quiet. 5.25. 5.25. 500, 5 1/4, is that it? Everybody $5 down, down, bid down, 20, now 5 1/4 down, down, bid down, 5 here, down, down, bid down, 25 and 9. Sold on line 500, number 705. $500, negative mine, buyer number 705, and goodbye. Negative mine, lot of hardware. Negative mine, line number 14. Negative mine, 24. Negative mine, 2 down, and bid down, 4 down, 4, 4, bond, bid down, 2 to get that 4 to 1, bid down, 2, 4, line. How to get a 2 down, and bid down, 4, and to get that 4 down, 6 a bid, Earl. How to get that 4 down, and bid down, 6 down, 6, 6 down, and bid down, 4 up, and 6, how to get that 4 to 1, bid down, 6 here. How to get that 4, ask a 6 here. Down, down, bid down, 4, 6, Earl, you're out. 6 down, bid down, 4 down, 6 here. Down, bid down, 4 down, get a 6, 4, 6 all done, Earl. Every mine, 4, 6 bid. Every mine, 4 down, and bid down, 6 down, 6, sing, bond, bid down, 4 down, get a 6 bid, sold. $4 Doug, number 713, and $4 negative buyer number 713. 713, that's what it said, didn't I? Hey, make it about the washer fluid, Rust-Oleum primer. Everything we're selling is over on that side of the building, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to look there. Number 15. Hey, get buy all one money. Hey, get buy bid down 6 here to give 8. Not to give 8, 8 down, bid down, give 8, 10 down, bid down, 10 down, 10 down, bid down, bid down, how to give 8 down, 10. Now 15 and 15, 20. Go ahead then. 15 down, to get a 20, down, to get a 15, to get a 20 bond pay. How to get 15, 20, Quinn. How to get a 20 down, bid down, 15, 20 pay. Bid about 15, 20. Have it about 15 down, bid 20. How to get a 15, to get a 20 bond, bid down, 15, 20 in the back row. Have it about 15, 20 all done, Quentin. 15 down, bid down, 20, but 20, get a 20 bond, bid down, 15, 25, about 5, 25 about through. Hang with me now. Have it about 25 again. Have it about 25, 25, getting it all down. Now 25 to get about 30, but about 30, gotta go, Quentin. Have it about 25, 5, gotta get 30 down, get about 25, about mid 30 pay. How to get a 30 down, bid down, 30, bid 30, bid 30, get 25 and 30 all done. Have it about mid 30 down here, 25 and 30. Sold, $25 in the house. Buyer is 29. And get a mine, $25 on number 298. And get a mine, next line, flat of hardware, all that right there. Jumper cables getting all one money. Get a mine, bid down, $2 bill. Have it about 1 down, 2, 2, 2 down, get that 1 down, get a 2, 2 down, bid down, 2 down, get that 1, 2. And now 2 down, 4. Have to get a 2 down, get that 4, 4. Doug didn't make it in the house. Now 2 down, get that 4 to 1 over with you. Have it about 2 down, bid down, 4, 4, bottom, bid down, 4 down, 2 down, get that 4 to 1, bid down, 6 a bid. And 6 here to give 8. How to give 8, 8, 8 down, bill. How to give 8 down, get that 6 here to give 8. Doug again. 6 here, ask an 8. And how to give 8, 8 down, down, give 8 about 8, 8, 8, 8, 6 here to give 8 about all done. 6 here to give 8. And 6 here to give 8. How to give 8, 8, 8, 8. Last call, final call. 6 here to give 8, 8, 8, 10. 10 down, 10, 10, 8 down, down, bid down, get that 10 to 1. How to give 8, ask an 10. And how to get 10, 10, 10, 8 down, down, bid down, 10 bid, sold $8, number 52, isn't it? $8, number 52. Get a next line. Here we go. 7 body, get it down on speedy square. Threshold thermometer. Get a body here in the blinds. How to body here, give it a body, get on speedy square. Give it $1 on that and go. How to get that 1 down, bid down, 1 down, 1, bottom, how to get that 1 body, that $1 bill. Have it about 1 down, bid down, 1 pay. Give it $1 bill for all that. $1 bid. Got a speedy square. You got some blinds. 2. How to get that 1, 2. Have it about 1 down, bid down, 2 down, 2, 2. To get that 1 down, get a 2, get that 1, 2. Down, bid down, 2. Have it about 1 down, bid down, 2, the bell through. And now 2 down, get that 1, 1, 2, 2, 2 down, get that 2, 2, 2, 2, down, bid down, 2, sold. $1 bill, 713. $1 bill, 713 going to Doug. And get a buying body, going to be lot number 18. Got the sprayer, fuel tank, treatment, brake cleaner. And get about 8 now, 4, 6. And 6 here to give 8. Now to give 8, 8 down, 10, 10, 10 down, bid down, $15. To get that 10, to get 15, but about $20. Bid Quentin. How to get that 15, ask for 20 bad. To get 15, but about 20 all done. $15 down, bid down, 20. How to get that 50, to get a 20 bid down, pop it about 25 euro. Have it about 25, 5, 25 to get that, pop it about $20, bid down, pop it about 20, pop it about through. Have it about 5. 25 rolling on in. Quinn's got the money. How to get that 25 one back in. How about 25 here down, bid down, how to get that money, get that 25, get all through, but about 25. And now $20 down, bid down, pop it about 25 sold. And $20, $530. $20 they get a buy number 530. They get a big, get a buy on a handsaw, grease gun, rubber mallet. They get a buy all that right there, 2 and 4. Have it about 4 down, 6 is it. Have it about 4 down, bid down, 6 down, 6. How to get that 4 down, get that 4 down, how to get that 4 down, bid down, 6 here. And 6 down, bid down, 4 down, 6, 6, 6 down, bid down, to get that 4 down, bid down, 6 here. Now to get that 4, 6 all done, gotta go. How to get that 4 down, 6 in. How to get that 4 down, 6, 6, 6 down, bid down, 4 down, 6, sing, bada, 4 to get that 6 bid, sold. $4 mark, 505. And $4 they get a buy number 505. Pin hitch, receiver tank, couple air fittings, lot number 20. Have it buy about here, 20, pop it about 30 down, bid down, 30, now 5. How to get that 35, 5, 5, 30, pop it about 35 to bid for it. How to get that 5 down, bid down, 35 to get all down the back row. Now 35, I got you. How to get that 35 here, down, bid down, 35 to get all down, to get that 35, you say 35, 40. How to get that 40, bid down, 40. Nope, Doug, you're not in on the back row, 35, 40. How to get that 35 to get that 40 down, bid down, 35 to make it 40. And now 5 and 45 and 50, Ryan. How to get that 45 and 50, Ryan, you're out. Now to get $45 down, $50. How to get that 45, how to get that $50 down, bid down, $50, bid down, 45 to get that 50, all done. 50 now, 5, 55, 5, 60. How to get the 55, bid down, 60, how to get the 55 and 60, all done. I can you grab this? How to get 55, asking 60 now, 5. $65 down, bid down, how to get that 65 on Sunday. And 60, how to get that $70 down, bid down, 65. I'm on the 4, bid down, 65, 70, Ryan. And now 65, 5, how to get that $70 down, bid down, 70. 70 pay. 65 asking 70, and now 70, and now 70. 65 down, bid now 55, 75 to pay. Come on back. You say 80, and 75 to give 80. Brian, you do it again. Now to give 80 down, bid now 75 to give 80. 75 to give 80 down, bid now 80 here. 75 to give 80. All down by him. And 75 to give 80. Hit it, Ryan. Come on. Now to give 85, 5, 85 to now 85 to bid now 90. And now 90 here down, bid now 85 to get down 90 all down. And now 90 down, bid 90, bid 90, bid 90, 85 to bid now 90 final call on bid now 55, 95 to pay. And now 95. Thanks for pushing. Now to get that 90 here down, bid now 5 to get that 5 to get that 5, bottom, bid now $90, 5 sold online. And $90, 631. 90. Put them on buyer number 631. Ike, we all good, sir? Hey, come on, make it. Oh, well, we'll get to them later on. Negative over to pay it a mine. What you want to give it a pay? Here we go. Line number 21. PTO shaft connector, trivets and all. Negative mine. What you want to give it a pay it a mine? Here we go. Insulators, T-post electric fence insulators. Negative mine. Bid down $2 and go. And bid down $2 down and bid down 2 down 2 bomb bid down 2 bid down 2 bid down 2. Give a dollar bill on it. Bid down 1 2. Now to get that 1 down and bid down 2 down 2 bomb bid down 1. Now to get that 2 to get that 1 2 bid down 1 2. Leonard, you know in. And bid down yep now 2 and 4 and now 4 now 6 here down and bid down 6 sure. Now to get 8 bid you want to do it. Now to get 10. I'll get asking 10. $15 down, bid down 15 to get all down. I'll get 10 in the back asking $15. I'll get 15 to get all through. Every about $10 down, bid down $15 bid down $15 down, bid down 15, 10, 15 sold, and $10 on 30. I get about $10. Put them on buyer number 30. I get about to make it about got a sheet. I get about here we go. 7 money. Thank you. I'll put a buyer about here number 22. Carter, take that to the office trailer, sir. I'll get about grinding wheel parts and an old motor. I get about to make it a buyer. Which one to give it a pay? Here we go. 10, $5. Give it about 5. Which one to give, guys? I'll get about 5. 7 money. 5 to pay. Give a dollar bill and go. I'll get that 1 down. Bid down 1 7 money 1 better get that 1 to get that 1 upon it get that 1 buy how to get that 1 all done everybody 1 give a dollar bid how to get that 1 down bid down 1 to get that 1 who wants it for a dollar everybody 1 buying how to get that 1 2 bought 2 sold dollar bill everybody buyer number is number 29 and dollar bill number 29 bottle jack pliers a wheel bearing grease and all everybody 25 everybody lot number 23 everybody 25 everybody $20 bid down 5 here down bid down 30 to 30 but 25 to get that 30 but 30 everybody 25 down bid down $30 bid now 30 but 30 but $30 down, bid down 30, 25 to get that 30, now 5, how to get that 5, now 40, $40 bid, now 5, 45 to get 50, 50 down, bid down 45 to get 50 all done, out the door, how to get that 45 to get 50 all done, how to get that 50 down, bid down 50 here, down, gotta go, how to get that 45 to bid down 50 down, bid down 50 down, bid down 45 and 50 your way, sold, and 45 on buyer 8, and $45, put them on bidder number 8, so winner, heavy duty wrench, funnel, compound and wasp killer, I get about to pick it up, what you give, a dollar 2, how to get that 1 down, bid down 2 down, 2, bomb, bid down, want to get that 2 to get that 1, 2, how to get that 1 down, bid down 2 pay 4, how to get a 2 down, you sitting down, Ike, how to get a 2 down, bid down 4 down, 4, bottom, 4 down, 6 bid, now to get 8, 10, $10, $15, and now 20, now 20 blue, 5, if I'm 25, you say no, how to get that 25 all done, dollar bid bends on the 4, 20, now 5, how to get that 20 down, 5 here, down, bid down 20, now pop it up, bid down 20, pop it up, down, how to get that 5 here, down, bid down 20, now pop it up, bid down 20, down, bid down, pop it up, and a half sold, and $20 your way, buyer is 43, and $20, I get to buy number 43, I get to buy next one, 5 gallon fuel cans, 1 metal, 1 plastic, I got to buy about here sitting right there. I got to buy bid now $10 down, bid now $15, $15 down, better get that $50 bid to buy 50 bid to pay for 10, 15 you want to buy him. I get a $10 down, bid down $15. I get a 10, $15 down, bid to get that $15 bid. I get a 10 to buy 15 to pay. $15 down, bid down 10, 15 all down. I get that $15 bill. I get a $10 down, bid down 15 to bid. Everybody else last bid final call down, bid down. I get that 15. I get a 10 up 15, 20, 15, not 20. Brian didn't make it. I'm on the floor right then. I get a 15, not 20. Brian Conrad, do it again. 20, 15 down, bid down 20, but 20. I get that 15, not 20. Brian, you didn't make it. I'm on the floor. $15 down, bid down 20, down, pop it up 20, pop it up 8, 4, 30. I get that 25 to bid, 30, all done. Go ahead, Ben. 25 to get 30, all done, Brian. I get that 25 and 30. I put about 25 to bid that 30, 30, but 30, but 25 down, bid down 30, all done. I get that 30, 30, but 30, but 25 down, bid now 30 sold. 25, put them on 52. $25. I get a buyer number 52. We got a barrel fan. It needs to be hardwired, so we couldn't test it, so it's as is. I get a buyer right here. Which one? I get a buy 44 inch. I get a buy 95, give 100. 95 down, bid now 1, give $100 on the barrel fan. Now $100. Everybody about 95 to get that one bid. 95 1. Everybody about 95 down, bid now 1 to get that. Get that one, give $100 bid all done, 95 asking 1, and 95 one all through, everybody 95 here, down, bid down, want to get that one all done, gotta go, final call, gentlemen, how to get that 95 and 1, last call, David, now, 100, now 10, 10, Alan, how to get that one now, 10, come on, Alan, how to get that one now, 10, bottom, 10, to get that one, up, 10, pay, 1 now, 10, all done, everybody 110, how to get that one now, 10, down, 20, 120, Mark, do it again, 120, how to get that one, 10, about 20, how to get that one, 10, down, bid now, 20, how to get that 20, all done, everybody 110, 20, everybody 110, 10 down, bid now 20, 20, bid now to get that 1, now to get that 20, bid all done. Now to get that 110 here, now 20, make it 20, 20, bid 20, bid 110, 20, sold, 110, number 682, 110, number 682 is the buyer. Make it a buy, make it a buy, pay for it. Which one to give it a bag of a B? I don't know. I'll put a buy here. Vintage office chair. It is vintage. And it is comfortable, is it not, sir? All right, you're going to pay me $1 for it, won't you? I'll get that one. What do you mean you're going to give an endorsement like that and not stay behind it? Pay $1 for that old chair. $1 bill. And now 2. I'll get that one down 2. I'll get that one down 2, $2 down. But you'll be happy you did by the end of the day sitting down. I'll get that one down 2 all done. I'll get that $1 down, but now 2 to get that one out of 2, 2, 1, 2 all through. And now 1 here down, but now 2, 2, 2, 1, 2. Sold to the man, $1 bill. I got to buy him, you lucky devil. What's your number today? I gave it to you. You should know. Number 3. $1 bill on 3. All right, ladies and gentlemen, those of you online, we've got about 265 of you online, whether you're from Virginia, West Virginia, Maryland, Kentucky, Tennessee, Indiana. Thanks for joining us today. Thank you for having come and bidding on our sale today. Number 28, shop desk. It is right there, and it's a taller one, so you can stand at it too. Hey, to buy him, I'm gonna buy him right here. What to pay for it? Here we go. 70 money, $10 to get that 10 down 5. I get that $5 bill, $5 to buy him on that shop desk. $5 bill. You get the umbrella and the dustpan to convey. $1 bill. Give it $1. I get that 1, 2. I get that 1 down 2. You got a front row seat to it. I get that 1 down 2 all done. I get that 1 here down, bid down 2 down 2 2. Bomb bid down 1 to get that 2 to get that 1 2 to get on. And down 1 2 down bid down $2 $2 2. I get that 2 2 2 2. Bottom 2. Sold $1 bill, 32. $1 bill, hang it about 32. We got top links. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. We're going to sell them in order. They're right there on the floor on the top links. Here we go. Who'll be $10 a top link? Gotta get a 10. We're selling one at a time. Who'll be 10 and go? 10, 10. You say 10, 5, 10. Gotta get that 5, 10. Gotta get that 5, to get that 10 down, 2, 4. And now 4 down, 6. Gotta get 8, 8, 8, 8. Now 10, 10, 10. Down, 10 to the baby, about 10 to the honor. And now 10, you want him, sir. And now $15 bill. Now 20, now 15, 20, now 5 about 25 to baby Russell. Gotta get that 25 down bid. Now 25 to the back row. Now 20's the bid, asking 5. Gotta get that 25, 5, 5, 5 bid, now 5 bid, now 25. Russell, now 5. Gotta get that 20 here, 5 down, $30 bid, down 30. Your call, sir. I get that 30 down, bid down 5. 35 about 5. 35 down, bid. I get that $5 bid, 35 about 4. I get that $5 bid, 35, 40. Now 40. Now $40 on this one. I get that 35 and 40 all done. I get that 35 down, bid down 40, bid 40, bid 35. What do you say, Tom? I get that 35 and 40 all done. 35, bid 40, bid 40, bid 35 down, bid down 40 sold. 35 your way. Buyer is number 20. And $35 with my bidder number 20. Hey, got another top link. I get a buy and who do 10 and go on them? I get a $10 down, bid now $15 bill. Now I get 10 to get that $15 bid. Now to $15, 20. 15. You want another one, sir? 20 here. $1 bid now 20. They say 5, 5, 25 about 30. And now 30. Now 5 apiece. 35. We're not selling them. I don't know why I'm doing that. We're just selling that one right there. 35. And now 5, 5, 35, 40. Now 40. Now 40. Now 5, 5, 45 about 9. And now 45 here. $1 bid now 5. I wish we did put them in a choice. Now 45 here. And now $40 5, 5, 40. Now 5 about mid 40. All done. And now 45 down. 45 down. 45 now 45 sold. $40 same way. That's 20. And $40 on 20. Got another top link. Take it about 10 to go. And now $10 down. Who saw me at 10 to go? 10, 15. I get a $10 down, bid down 15, 20 here, down, bid down 25. I get a 25 here, down, bid down. I'm in the back row, Craig. 25. I get that Russell, you're out. I get a 25, 30, down, 30, down, 30 down, bid down 25. I get that 30 all down. I get a 25 to make it 30 good. And now 25 here, down, bid down 30, bid 30. Gotcha. Bid about 25 and 30 all through. The last final call 5, 5, 5, 35 to bid for it. Now 5 your man's out. I'm back there, 30 asking 5, and now 35. Can't see him, Craig. 35 to buy. Bid about 35. Bid about 35. Bid about 35. 35. 35. 35. $30 bid 5 sold. $30 the same way. That's number 20. $30. Take it about buyer number 20 again. 10, $15 bill. I'll get $15 bid. 10 to get $15. And now 15. You want this top link? $15 bill. I'll get 10 asking 15, sir. I'll get a $15 down, but then I get a $15 bid. Where'd the market go? $10 on the top link. Who's in? $10. 15. 10 to get 15, about 10, 15, now 20, 20, 20, down to 15, to get a 20 buy. 15, asking 20 all through. I'm with you then online. 15, asking 20, about 20 down, bid down 20, but 20, get 15, 20 buy, bid about 20. 15 down, bid 20, to get 20 down, bid now sell it online. $15, that's going to be number 621. 15 on number 621. I get a buy, get about a top link, get about a peg of the buy. Maybe to go, 7 money. He'll be 10 on that one. You want that one too, sir? Start me at 10. $10. I'll get a 10 but on it. About 10, 10, 10, 10, 2, 4. About 2, 4. About 2, 4. Down, bid down, 2 down, 4, 4. Bottom, 4. I'll get that 4 bottom, bid 2, 4. About 2 basket 4. And now 2 down, bid down, 4 down, 4, 4. So I'll get that 4, I'll get that 2 down, 4. You want to come in? About 2, 4. About 2 basket 4 down, bid down, 4 down, 6 and bid down, bid now 8, 8, 8, 8. You say it, did you? 6 here to give 8. Go ahead, Leonard. 6 here to give 8. 6 here to give 8. 6 here to give 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Down, bid down 8 now 10, 10, 10. Down, bid 8. Bid 10, Leonard, you didn't quite make it, Leonard. Yes, sir. 8, 10. Now to give 8, 10. Now to give 8, 10. Now to give 10, 15. $50 bill, you want to try it? Now 20, 15, 20, Leonard, 15, asking 20, $15 down, bid now 20, gentlemen, the back wanted. How to get that $50 bill, down, bid now 20, about 20, about 30, have it about $30 down, Leonard, do it again. How to get that 20, about 30, have it about $30 down, bid now 30, bid 30, all done, down, bill, down, bid down 30. How to get that 20, about $30 down, bid down 30, bid 30, 25, to make it 30, sold, 25, 52, and then $25 on buyer, number 52. Hey, the base of the body, Black and Decker circular saw. It works just the way you want it. Hey, the buyer right here, down $2 bill, down 2, bid down 2, down, get that 1, 2. I'll bid on $1 bill, online, down 2. I'll get that 1 down, bid down 2, down 2, bid now, but get that 1, 2, bid on, bid now 1, 2, all done. Have it about 1, 2, have it about 1 down, bid now 2, down 2, bid down, get that 2, get that 1, get that 2, down, bid down 1, 2, sold Andrew, and $1 bill, 506. $1 bill, number 506, Mr. Verdon. Hey, gonna be on the Apache, 1-inch PSI, 90 PSI hose, 25 feet long. Hey, gonna bomb somebody body here, hold up there. Hey, gonna bomb bar. Here we go, 1, 2. $1 with the bomb, 2, 2, bottom about 2, $2 down here, now I'm home, 2, 2, bottom about 4, and $2 down here, we get 4 done. And now we get $4 down here, we get 2, 4, and 2, 2, bottom about $4 down here, 2, 4, 6, $6 with the bomb, $6 now 4 down, 6 here, we get paid, $8 bid, not a paid. 6 here, down here, we get paid, and now to get paid, down here, we get paid, 8, bottom 8, bomb, and now 6 and 8 all done. 6 here, go ahead, Ben, 8, now to get paid. Now to get paid bid, and 8, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, down to get paid, down to get ball done. $8 down here, we get 10, and now to get paid, we get 10, 10, down to get paid, down to get paid, 10, down, bid, now 8, 10, sold, done, your way, $8, 7, 13. $8, 7, 13. Hey, we got a metal vise on a truck receiver. Hey, to buy, inviting to bed now 75. Down bid now 75. And 70 here to the down here now 5. All ready to go. Just take it and go. And now 75. And finally 70 finally down here now 5. And 70 here to the down here now 5 about 75. And 70 here now 5 about talking to me. And now 75 here down bid now I got your route. And 75 to get held done. And 70 no I'm 70 here now 5. And 75 the ball done. And 70 here to the down here now 5 and 70 finally down here now 70. Down here, no 5 sold route, $70, $5.44. $70, $5.44. Hey guys, those breakfast sandwiches any good? Yeah. Hey, if you're hungry, your belly's growling, or if you just want to eat more, go see Tom Havilos and Jake out there. They got some good food grilling out there. Next about number 37. And we got a drawbar, ratchet strap, and 2 axes. 2 to bid to 4. Every bottom 4, 6. Every bottom 4 down, 6, 10, bottom, bottom, 6, bottom, bid, elevate. Not to get paid, I'm with her. Out to get paid, 6 to get paid. You want to be 8, 6 to get paid. Getting it all right there now. Not to get paid, 6 to get paid. Not to get paid, 8, now bid the box, come on up and family online. Not to get paid, you just swat and flies, web, $8 bid 10. Not to get paid, 10 her. $8 bid 10. 10 to get 15. $15. I'm in the back row. 10, 15. Everybody 15, 2 together. $15 down here. 10 to get 15. Just checking. 10 to get 15. Bottom of the 10 to get 15 down here. 10 to get 15. 20. Now 20. Now you're both out. Everybody about 20. You walking to be 20. Now 5. And now 5 to get 30. And now 35 bid. 20. Finally down here. 30. 30 bid 30 bid 20. Finally down here. 30 sold. And $25 buy is 52. $25 number 52. Hey James Davis, wait for us if you would. If you need to get anything removed today, again, JJ's going to be in the skid steer. If you need to have something checked out, JJ can help you with that as well. Negative volume, heavy duty log chain. Negative volume about here, 20, not 5. How to get that 25, 5, 25, but I'm in the 30. Everybody about 25, but I make it 30, 30, John down bid, now 5, now 35, to get that 5, about 35, but I now 5, 35, bid 40, and now 40, now 5, 45, 5, 50, $50 bid 50, and 45, $50 bid 5, 55 here, now 60, 55 and 60 are y'all, and now 60 here, $5, 5, 65 at the 65, 70, and now $70 down bid down, $70 bid the bottom, 70, your call, 65 asking 70, John, and now $70 down bid down, 65 to get 70 down, 5, 5, 75 at the bottom, now to get 80, 75 to get 80, 75 to get 80, you say no, 75 down bid, now to get $80 bid the bottom, 80, make it 80, 75 to make it $80 bid, sold, 75, buyer 52, $75, put them on buyer number 52. Got another one, yes sir. Hey, yeah, we want to know, just so we're spending advertising dollars the right way, how many of you are here because you got a mailer about it? How many of you are here because you got a mailer in the mail? About 5 of you. How many are here because you saw it?
Yeah, I got one.
I got a mailer, yeah. Who's here because you saw it on Facebook? A lot of hands for Facebook. What about Winchester Star? Who saw the ad in Winchester Star? One of you. What about Valley Trader?
Email.
Email blast, Valley Trader, bunch of for Valley Trader. What's another one? Auction Zip. A lot of people for Auction Zip. What about GoToAuction.com? Anyone use GoToAuction.com? Okay. Thank you for your feedback. I got to be number 39, heavy duty lock chain. I got to buy about here. Which one are you going to make it to buy? Here we go. 7 to bottom, bid down, bid down, 20, now pop it above 25. And now 25, and now 30, John. And now 30, 30, 35, 5, 35, and 40, dollar bid to buy 40, John. And now 35, 40, now 5, 45, 5, bottom, 5, and 50. 50, down, bid now 45 to 50. Now 5, sir, 55. 55, 5, bomb, bind down, $60 bid, now 60 here. And $55 bid, $60 bid, now 60, now 5, and now 5, bottom, top of the base, 65, you with me? And now 70, down, bid, now 70 here. And now 70, now 5, and 75, 75, 75, $90, $80 out. $80 down, thanks for pushing. And 75 to 80, all done. 75, sitting down, 180. And 75 to 80, 180 down, bid, now 75 to make a D bid. Same way, sold 75, buyer 52. And 75.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.